All right, so today I'm working on a Bosch microwave. Customer complaint is no power, not turning on, but the oven does have power. So these ones are separate. That's kind of hard to open it. So I have a feeling it's a door latch, but we'll open it up and check. All right, and so as suspected, this is the fuse right there. We can see that it's open. That's why the microwave isn't getting any power. Now a common reason why this fuse blows is because of the switches, which as we can see there, there's just some burn marks there. So I do have the switches here with me. This is from Bosch. They come with a switches kit, and it comes with a brand new fuse. So we will install that and then retest. And so this is the old switch. We can kind of see that when the door latch right there goes in, it's supposed to actuate this button. However, this button here is completely broken. For comparison, this is the new one. We can see that there's should be a healthy click there. And when this guy gets stuck closed, it probably blew it out. So I'm going to replace this guy, as well as on the other side there's one more, as well as splice a new connection there for the wiring, and then should be good to go. Okay, yeah, we have the new fuse and switches installed. We can see the power here. Again, if we just do 30 seconds. There we go. All right, looking good. Another microwave fixed.